how to install an Adblock to Safari on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Safari and you would be able to see the extensions option right on the home window, and if it is not available, it's quite okay. Simply click on Safari at the menu at the top, and here you get the option of Safari extensions. Simply select it and this is how it will open up. Now over here, click on this option of browse extensions. This will open up the App Store for you. Let's get back, and on the search, simply search for Adblock or Adguard, whatever you want, and it will take a while before giving you these options. And over here you can simply check their ratings and also the number of downloads, and accordingly, if any particular extension suits you, simply select it and then download it. So for example, if we are going to get this one, simply click on this option of get and it will be installed to your Mac quite easily on Safari. And this is how easy it is to get Adblock on Safari. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.